Okay, this is a video showing the l96 sniper rifle airsoft version. Obviously, this is where you can put the bipod, 30 round clip, and it's bolt action. Strap, very heavy, at least 30 pounds, and we're gonna be shooting this can. Maybe 20 to 25 shots I put in there, so we have another can. My little brother's gonna be holding it while I shoot. Okay. Has no scope, so it's very bad aim. God damn it.
Ass!
Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Got one.
The other one's gonna pretty much explode.
Got it.
Exploded.
Biff shot.
Ah! Stop! Shit. Yeah.
That's our video.